Hey everyone, did you know you can get paid early with Monzo? Let me show you how it works so you can access your paycheck before payday. Let's dive in. Make sure your paycheck is deposited directly into your Monzo account. You can set this up with your employer by providing your Monzo account and routing numbers. When payday is near, you will receive a notification from Monzo saying your paycheck deposit is ready. Tap on the notification to view your direct deposit details, then tap I am in to access your money a day early. Missed the notification? No problem. You can also opt in by tapping on the paycheck transaction in your Monzo app. Just follow the prompt to get paid early. Remember, you are eligible to get paid early as long as your Monzo account is in good standing. Check the full cardholder agreement in the app if you have any questions. And that's it. With Monzo, getting paid early is simple and convenient. If this video helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.